Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today got my 2013 Ranger 900 in the shop, and I've got something for it. I got a Kemimoto. This is a rear poly panel, a rear window for this thing. I picked up a new Ranger, and I took my glass windshield that I had in it. I took that for my new Ranger. So I needed something for this. So this is what I picked up. I was really impressed with the Kemimoto seat covers that I got for my 6x6 Ranger. So I thought, what better place or what better brand to try than the Kemimoto for the rear windshield. So this thing was actually really reasonably priced. I think I got it on sale. It might be a little more now, but here it is. It's in the box. I'm going to pull it out. It's actually in a box, and this box was in a box. So I'm going to pull it out right now. I haven't looked at it. From the pictures it looks pretty good, but let's get it out. Okay, so here it is out of the box. You can see it's a poly. It's fairly thick. It's got a little gasket thing all the way around it. Not quite as good as, well, not as good as the Polaris gasket, but there is a gasket all the way around it. It's got the little hooks just like the factory Polaris ones do, and then it's got these latches where you turn them and lock the window in. It's actually got 3 of those, so I was pretty impressed. I think it's the only window I saw with 3 of those latches, which it probably needs it because it's poly, it's not glass, it needs a little more support. So yeah, let's get this thing installed. Basically you just slide these underneath the back of the frame. I have the carpet with the noise reduction kit, so I'm going to slide it over that carpet piece, and yeah, I'll maybe set the camera up and show you. This shouldn't be very hard. It should be pretty easy, but yeah, we'll get to installing this. Okay, so like I said, this should be pretty easy. Take the panel, slide it in. You wanna, when you slide it in there, you wanna center it up in the frame before you push it down and kind of lock it in there. I'm gonna have to actually unbolt my roof here and pull this out so I can get this underneath the roof. For some reason it's not, it wants to go up, it kicks up right here, so I guess I gotta pull. Okay, I got a star bit to pull these off. Now I got my antenna. Won't. So I got more work because I got an antenna right here. I gotta pull my antenna off before I can get to that bolt. Okay, if you pull up and out, that'll pops the roof out a little bit. Hopefully that's going to be enough. Now again, I got to line this up on the window or the frame here. Get my wires out of the way. Okay, so you gotta kind of push everything in. Again, make sure it's centered. And I'm gonna go inside. I'm going to turn those latches. Okay, so inside the cab, you got to turn these right here and lock it onto the frame. That one there, that third one is actually hitting my light up there. But you shouldn't have a light up there. That's just where I put mine. The dome lights usually go there if you get a factory one. But anyway, there's 3 of them. You latch them down and then you got to pull. I'd actually recommend pulling the inside one out first before you mount it, because it looks like it's going to be hard to pull that film out right now. So I'm going to pull the film off here and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so there it is, installed. I think I might have it moved over. Oh, maybe not. Pretty well centered. So overall, looks to be a pretty good piece. If I was gonna install this on another Ranger, or if I was gonna keep my Ranger here, I would probably install some weather stripping on the side here, because it's a little, I see there's a little bit of a gap there. Actually, what I might do is they have weather stripping that has a 90 degree or whatever. It will go on there, and then it has weather stripping on this side. That's probably what I would do. Or just get some, some stuff you can get at the home store and just put it on the sides here. Looks like the top and the bottom is pretty good, but the sides need a little extra. But like I said, overall, pretty darn good. Is it OEM Polaris glass quality? No, it's not, but them are, the cheap ones are $500, and this rear sliding that I had in this thing is like $800. So really can't compare the two at all. For what you get, you can use this panel until it gets scratched up or something, and then you can throw it away and buy a new one. But yep, I'm overall, like I said, happy with it for what I paid. And yeah, I'd recommend this one. So I guess that's going to do it for this one, guys. Hopefully some people get a little bit out of this if they're looking for a rear window or looking for a cheap rear window. This will complete a cab for pretty cheap. So I'll have the link in the description, the Amazon where I got it, and you guys can go check it out if you want. That's going to do it for this one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I will see you.